Hello and good afternoon. Miss Cleveland here to discuss the Kansas Performance Teaching Portfolio and some things I am comfortable with and some of the things I do not feel comfortable with, and then also how this course has helped me better understand the KPTP process. So to start off, I will talk about what aspects of the KPTP that I do not feel comfortable with. Um, some of the things is the part of the KPTP that I still do not feel comfortable with would be the layout of how it should be written. Um, Given the different tasks are a bit confusing, and when I was trying to think of classwork and how to make them all coincide with each other, I was getting a little confused, and I know I will become more comfortable with these areas the more I read about the KPTP. Um, this is the first time I have even looked into the KPTP because, again, this is my first semester, and so I'm not 100% sure with all of the teaching criteria needed, and this was definitely a help to have this lesson. Some of the aspects I am comfortable with after reading about it this past week. I feel comfortable with selecting the focus areas. I'm really confident in my content area that I teach, and I continue to look for different delivery methods to keep um, all of the kids engaged in every section that we learn. We have a lot of different lessons and a lot of different transitions back and forth. So trying to keep everyone engaged in everything if they're not um, so into that lesson that I try to pull them back in with something that we've maybe previously done that they've liked. Um, Given the different focus areas for me and what I will or should be teaching helps verify for me that I'm doing something right, that I am on the right path by looking at the curriculum that was given online and everything with the short time I had to prepare for class, that it helps to know that I am right where I need to be right now in my first semester. Um, how might this course support you better in understanding the KPTP process? I would say this assignment actually was the first time I've heard about the KPTP process, and I think that this course is going to help me better understand it by having the steps laid out for me. Um, I have had to go back and reread the KPTP more than once before I started to kind of comprehend it because it was a little overwhelming at first, seeing that much information needs to be given and that much stuff has to go into one paper for like kind of like a final grade. But now that I've looked through it and looked at the different steps and broke it down individually, it isn't as overwhelming, and I look forward to continue to learn about it and start on it so that I can have it done. So those are some of the things that I'm comfortable with and uncomfortable with, and then how I think this class has helped me better prepare to understand the KPTP process.